Have you ever heard of Hambāguu? Not hamburger, Hambāguu. It's a Japanese classic inspired by Western food that's transformed into something that tastes like home. Hambāguu first arrived in Japan in the Meiji era. The version we know, the one we grew up eating at the kitchen table, really started after World War II. At the time, family needed meals that were filling and affordable. Ground meat, usually a mix of beef and pork, could be stretched out with egg, milk, and panko. Add some sauteed onions for sweetness and seasoning for depth. It was easy to make, hearty, and kid approved. By the Showa period, Hambāguu has entered the canon of Japanese comfort food, and it never left. It's still everywhere, in bentos, in cafeterias, and entire chain restaurants like Bikkuri Donki, which they built their menu entirely on Hambāguu. The different types can include a mushroom sauce, grated daikon with ponzu, stuffed with cheese inside, and maybe even curry on top. But no matter how you dress it, the essence of Hambāguu is still there. It's not something you eat with your hands. There's no bun, no lettuce, no mustard, just the juicy pan-seared patty on a plate, next to a scoop of rice with some cabbage on the side. You eat it with chopstick, you eat it like a steak, and you always chase your sauce with the last bite of rice. Start by sauteing your finely chopped onions until it's soft and golden. Then set it aside to cool. In a bowl, combine ground beef and pork, the onion, one beaten egg, panko breadcrumbs soaked in a bit of milk, salt, pepper, and just a pinch of nutmeg. Mix it gently, enough to bring it together without overworking it. The little hack here, mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is commercially emulsified fat, so it's gonna actually help keep that meat juice inside while you cook it. I learned that in cooking school. Before shaping, clap the mixture back and forth between your hands a few times to press out any air bubbles. Then shape into a palm-sized patty and press a little thumbprint into the center. In a hot pan, sear both sides until it's nice and golden brown. Add a splash of water and cover with a lid and let them steam until cooked through. Once they're done, set them aside and use the same pan to make your sauce. Add 2 tablespoons ketchup, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire, and 1 tablespoon soy sauce to the pan juices. Mix it up and pour it over the patties. Serve them with warm rice, maybe some shredded cabbage, but really you don't need anything more than that Hambāguu and that sauce.
Yeah. Itadakimasu.
It's just one of those meals that doesn't try too hard. Just makes you feel taken care of. The type of dish that grows with you, changes you, but it always tastes like where you came from. Because Hambāguu isn't just something you eat, it's something you remember. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, everyone. では、ごちそうさまでした。